just know you're holding out on you. I know it's a matter of words and the sense of a purpose, the pain of the falling. I know it's all how you want it to be now. You'll never.
Thanks, Sal. Sally, you put an exclamation point on the end of an amazing year. What's it mean to you to win the U.S. Open of Surfing?
Wow, that's just an unbelievable feeling to get chaired up the beach, and there's like a sea of people. That's just one of the biggest achievements. Just to get 3 wins this year, it's been a really special year, and you know, it's, we didn't get the title, but it's just you know, I just feel like I'm improving, and that just, yeah, I can't believe I just won it, and yeah, thanks to everyone.
Well, you've been one of the leaders of the women's progressive movement. What have your thoughts been of the level of women's surfing at this event?
Oh, I think the level's been great. Like, the conditions have been challenging, and you know, we've been trying to step it up and sort of look for those ramps the guys have been boosting off, and you know, we managed on the smaller days, and today was just about, you know, connecting the dots and just keep stepping it up, and yeah, that's just surreal, and I've always wanted to win this event. I've been coming for about 5 years now, and watch people get chaired up the beach, and it's yeah, it feels as amazing as it looks.
Well, you squashed Lakey's chances of winning both events. She was a double threat in the U.S. Open, and you know, what are your thoughts on the future of women's surfing?
I think the future's bright for our sport. It's exciting to be a part of. Lakey, you know, she's only 16 and she was in both finals, and she definitely put a great final together. You know, pushed me, and you know, I kept looking to step it up, and yeah, so it was a great week for her, and yeah, it was to get the winners. It's great to cap off the year like that.
Well, congratulations. We've got the women's world champion of the U.S. Open of Surfing for 2011, Sally Fitzgibbons. Sal, back to you in the booth.